image, what does it make you think of? What do you guys think of when you see this image?
Recycle, reduce.
Recycle, reuse, reduce. Okay, good. Those are the 3 words we're going to actually discuss. What does it mean to recycle? What do you guys know? Reusing something again, like going in a circle, right? We take something old and we make it new again. Okay, good. So that brings us. Okay, so those 3 words you just mentioned. Okay, so when we look at these 3 words, reduce, reuse, recycle, what do they have in common? They all have an R. They all start with what? They all start with re. Good. So what does it mean when we see that prefix in the beginning of a word? Good. We do it again. Give me some examples that are not up there. Re-upload. Okay, what else? Reopen something. Sometimes if your guys' schoolwork is not good, what does your teacher ask you to do? Redo it, right? Restart. Okay, we can restart something. So re basically means what? To do it again. Thank you. Here we go. Before we go any further, I'm going to pass out the KWL chart. Okay, and I want you guys to write what you know about recycling and what you want to know. A few minutes, guys. Just jot down something. What you already know about recycling and what you want to know about recycling. Just write your names.
Community. How was Afghanistan all about recycling?
Am I going to have you guys use the back of this as your journal since I didn't pass out your journals? Okay, this is going to be your journal in the back of this paper. So we talked about what re means when we are using it as a prefix. In your guys' journal, so turn your paper around and write the definition of reuse, please. Okay, to use again or more than once. So what are some examples of things you guys reuse in your house?
Cups. Plates.
Water.
Okay, so good. Plates and cups, those are a good example, right? Because we could all use paper plates all the time, but then we're adding trash, right, to our landfills. So by reusing our dishes, we're reducing waste, right? What else do we reuse?
Clothes.
We reuse our clothes, right, till we grow out of them or till they're no good. How about towels? We have hand towels that we reuse and we just wash them. Instead of paper towels all the time, because that's a lot of waste. Some people use reusable diapers instead of buying the disposable ones. Some people actually get their baby cloth diapers, and that takes away a lot of the landfill. So, that's an example of reuse.
Oh.
Things we reuse, right?
Poor child.
Okay, so, yeah, some people are very like anti-disposable diapers because they know how bad it is for our landfills. What about the word reduce? What does it mean to reduce something?
Make it smaller.
To make it smaller, good. So when we're recycling or reusing things, what are we making smaller?
Trash.
Our trash, or the landfills, good. Because the landfills are filled with stuff that could be reused, right? Or some things don't, what's the word? Biodegrade? They don't dissolve in the earth like paper bags, they dissolve. Plastic bags, they take a lot longer. Styrofoam, never. Styrofoam is like in our landfills forever. So I'm like so anti-styrofoam, I don't buy it at all. So reduce, exactly like you said, to make smaller. So go ahead and write that definition in your journal as well. Reduce. To make smaller or less in amount, degree, or size. Okay? So when we're reducing something, we're making it smaller. Make smaller or less in amount. Okay, the word recycle. What does the word recycle mean? We kind of already talked about it, but to do something over again, what's a cycle? A circle, right? So that's why the recycling thing is kind of in a circle, right? We're reusing stuff, we're reducing the landfill, the size of the landfill by recycling. So basically, there's our definition of recycle. Go ahead and write that in your journal. To convert waste into reusable material.